Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. I am happy today because I got this product for which I was waiting for the last 14 days. So I ordered this set on 10th, I think on 1st of September or 2nd of September. So today on 14th of September I received this via UPS. It's a courier service of US. So let's open it and find what's inside. So I think I have to open from here. Okay, let's unbox it. I think they put tape everywhere. Still it's very hard to open. Okay, here we go. Okay, so the first thing that I found in it is I think it's invoice, and what it says, shipped from online Apple store. So it's an Apple product. So it's you can see it's an iPod Touch, 32 gigabytes, 4th generation. So it's the latest iPod from Apple, and they launched it on 1st of September 2010, and it shipped from US on 11th of September. And today I received it. So it's just the summary. And now here's the thing for which I was waiting for.
Clapping! You got the iPod! You got the iPod!
So here's the thing, and they packed it really carefully so that no harm will be made to it. And so here you see it says iPod and many things. So I think I should uncover it. So here's the thing.
Wow.
So this is iPhone. This is iPod 4 and 32 gigabytes. Here you can see, and it's in a very fancy cover. So let's open it. I think they did
Be
not.
careful.
Yeah, I think they put some tape over here. Yeah. Okay, it's really easy. Okay, so here's the iPod, and you can see
Wow,
how much
wonderful!
it is, and what's inside the box. What are the other accessories? Like this is, I think it's in some strange language, but because I don't think it's in, I'm in Holland, so I don't think it's in Dutch. So they have, oh yeah, they have many languages. Yeah, this is Dutch language, but I don't understand Dutch, so I need some manual in English. Okay, let's find out it later. So what else in the packet? It's a universal charger, and you can also use it as a data cable, and it's a standard headset. So let's open the iPod Touch. So here is the seal that I'm going to open. I think I should
From
open
the
it.
outside, yeah.
Okay, so it's opened.
Wow.
Okay, now you can see from the back it's a nice silver cover, and this is the front. Now I'm going to open. Now I'm going to reveal what's behind this sticker.
Wonderful,
here you can see.
Wonderful.
This is the thing I was waiting for. So it's a
Congratulations, bro.
Apple iPod 32 gigabytes 4th generation, the latest release from Apple. So you can see how thin the set is. So it's very thin, and it's 32 gigabytes. And the interesting thing is, like Apple this time, for the first time, Apple was asking that if you want to engrave some text on the back of the iPod, you can. So as a in the recent in the last month I put a video of Android phone. So I also have an Android. So now this is the very first time that I'm using Apple product, because I'm you can say like an Android fan, because I have a Google phone, or I use other Google services. So what I did, so I asked them to write this. So it says warning. I'm not sure whether you can see it clearly or not. Warning: keep out of reach of Android.
Wow.
So this is something that now what will happen. So I'm not sure, because I have two pockets. I can use either in one pocket I can put my Android, in other pocket I can use Android. So let's see. It's difficult for me, like which one, which phone I will use most of the time. So okay, so this is it, and here's the Apple iPod, and the main features are like it's the big display, and here's the front facing camera, and it also has a HD recording, video recording of 720p. It can record HD video, and over here it's a power button, and on the back it's a 3.5 mm audio jack. Over here is the audio for data cable, and this is for volume. So okay, so yeah, so here is the unboxing of the set. Now in the next video I will turn it on and let's see what's inside this. Okay, thank you.